Hello everyone. How are we doing today? Yes, who missed me? I missed everybody. I've been a bit busy since the beginning of this year. Back and I'm better. Today, this is our first tutorial for the year, and today I'll be teaching us how to make this simple fabric rose that you are seeing on the screen. Say a very big thank you to all my subscribers and my viewers. Thank you all. God bless you. Please, if you are just visiting my channel for the first time, please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell button beside the subscribe button to get notified anytime I post a new video. I love you and God bless you. Please like, comment and share my video. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Together we all grow. Thank you. Please stay tuned and God bless. This end. In this tutorial,
From
I'll
this
be
end
making use of two pieces of
down
fabric, one
to this end.
measuring 4 inches wide
From this end
by 39 inches
down to
length,
this
that is
end.
in fold 2 inches wide by 39 inches length,
So you
and
keep
another
making your running
fabric
stitches.
measuring 3 inches wide by 39 inches length in fold 1.5 inches wide by 39 inches
Okay, running
length.
stitches, you can make it big, you can make it small. Keep making the running stitches. So our measurements are in this video. I'll be using two pieces of fabric. The first one will measure 4 inches wide, 4 inches wide by 39, 4 inches wide by 39 inches length, 4 inches wide by 39 inches length. That is in fold. In fold, I'll have 2 inches wide, 2 inches wide in fold by 39 inches length. 2 inches wide by 39 inches length. 3 inches wide by 39 inches length. So this one will be in fold, it will be 1.5 inches wide, 1.5 inches wide by 39 inches length. So in fold, our first fabric in fold will be 2 inches wide by 39 inches length, and the second will be 1.5 inches wide by 39 inches length. So let's get end of my thread. So I'll pick my 4 inches wide by 39 inches length, look for the right side and fold it into two, wrong side facing each other, fold it into two. Then I'll make my running stitches from this end, from this end down to this end. Yeah, from this end down to this end. So you keep making your running stitches. Okay, running stitches, you can make it big, you can make it small. Keep making the running stitches till you get to the end of your fabric. So I'll do that and get back to us. So you keep making your running stitches, make your running stitches to the end. So when you get to the end of your fabric like this, just tuck this little mini part like this, tuck it in like this. to close the rough edges. So this is it. So I finished making the running stitches. This is it. So what you do is just arrange it the way you want it. Just arrange it like this and set it aside. Yes, this is what you have. So I finished making it. You can add this to to an existing fabric rose. Just add it this way. Just tack it together like this to beautify your rose. After tacking, making your running stitches, tack it, arrange it the way you want it. Arrange it the way you want it. You can make it wider like this. I want to make it wider like this because I'll be attaching another one to it. Let me just make it like this. So after making your running stitches, just tack it together to secure your stitches. Knot it once, knot it twice to secure your stitches and cut the excess thread. Then you set it aside like this and make the other one of and make the other one of 1.5 inches wide in fold by 39 inches length. You also fold it together like this. Then you make your running stitches. I'll be attaching this one to the 2 inches wide. You can also make use of it separately by attaching them to a different rose. Make it like this. If you are using a thicker fabric, you don't need to fold your material. If you are using a thicker fabric, you can just make it straight like this and make your running stitches. But because I'm using a satin fabric and the end loose easily, so that's why I'm. So as we did for the first one of 2 inches wide, when you get to the end of your fabric like this, tuck the edge in like this. Then you make your stitches like this. You know, the funniest thing is you can also arrange your rose this way. You can also arrange it this way and use it like this. Just be creative about it. You can use it anyhow you want it. So when you get to the end, just tack it together like this. Together like this and make your running stitches. Then you cut the excess thread. So this is it. So what I'll be doing is I'll be joining this smaller rose to this bigger one. So what I'll do is arrange this one the way I want it to be, like this. Arrange it like this, anyhow you want it to be. Then you also arrange this smaller one. Yes, arrange it like this. Then you place it on top of each other like this, and you tack them down. This is on top of each other like this. This is a smaller of 1.5 inches in fold, and this by 38 inches wide, 39 inches wide, sorry. And this is the 2 inches wide in fold by 39 inches length. So I'll be adding it together like this. Then I'll tack it down. Isn't this beautiful? You can tack it down with your needle and thread, or you put your glue gun to it and tack it down like this. Isn't this beautiful? This is it. You can also join them to a separate rose, a different rose. This is a rose. You can attach them to it like this. So attach it anyhow you want. This is very beautiful. Beautiful rose. And join it together like this. Then you attach it to your fabric. You can use it as a brooch. You can use it as a hair bow. You can use it as, you can just use it anyhow you want it. Just be creative about it. Then this is so beautiful and lovely. Thank you for watching. Please and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell button to get notified anytime I post a new video. Please like, comment, and share my video to your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Thank you. I love you. Bye bye. Stay tuned for my next video on how to make this simple fabric rose fascinator, and also how to attach your hair comb to your rose to make a fascinator. Stay tuned. Bye bye.